Hi everyone, today I will open the iPhone 7 Plus. Open up the LCD. Since you can open LCD, you can change every small part. But the first thing is to open LCD first. The 5-star screwdriver to open the bottom, and then the Phillips screwdriver, and then the screwdriver for the iPhone 7 Plus, and then the razor. Off 2 screws on the bottom, use the little razor to put in the corner so you can lift up the LCD. See? After you lift up a little bit, you can use the pie like this, metal pie or the plastic to go around. iPhone 7 Plus LCD cable is stay on the side, so you need to go around on this side. Careful, don't put it there so hard you may damage the home button. That's a very important thing. iPhone 7 model and up, if the original home button bad, you can replace it. It's not going to work anymore. So when you lift up a little bit like this, you can move this LCD so the frame can get loose. And here you go. This is the flag stay right here. And don't take off any flag yet. If you see this don't have the metal plate to cover the camera, still don't open. First thing, we need to disconnect the battery. Remember, always disconnect the battery before you can take off any LCD flag or any camera flag. Okay, use the tri-star screwdriver to take off some screw right here so I can disconnect the battery. And you can put the screw in the order so you can put it back easy. Here now, I take off this plate and put right here. This is the battery flag. Now I put my finger to disconnect it. After you disconnect it, now you can disconnect the LCD cable. And then the front camera flag. Okay, now I take off the LCD. I have removed the LCD. For you to change the LCD, this is how the new LCD looks. Before you install it, test this LCD first. Okay, now I'm gonna test the LCD. I snap the flag, first one, and now the second one. And now I snap the battery flag. We power is off. It may take so long for it to come on because I didn't install the front camera yet. Sometimes it's not gonna come on completely. It just stay like that. But it means that the LCD working. Now we can disconnect it and start remove the port from the old LCD and put it onto the new one. Remember, disconnect the battery, because if you don't disconnect the battery, you may make the backlight burn. It means that you can't see the phone anymore. The backlight not gonna show the picture or anything. Here is the old LCD. Okay. At the bottom on the button, we use the small screwdriver for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus up. But at the top part by the camera, you use the Phillips screwdriver. It's a tri-star. This is a tri-star screwdriver for the bottom. Then you can take off all the button right here, on the side, on the top. After you take off the screw right here, for the home button, be careful. Use the heat gun, or if you get the heat plate, you can put it on. But use the heat gun is faster. You go right here for about a minute or less than a minute. After that, use your fingernail to open the flag right here. Open it, and then use the razor. After you hit them, it's getting easier. Then use the razor to lift up the home button. Careful, don't break it. And the home button come out from the front. You see, it's not gonna stay like that. It's go to from the front. Now I'm gonna open the front camera flag. Use the Phillips screwdriver to open. It's easy to open the port. If you got your front camera or the earpiece is bad, then you can change it. Now it's getting loose now. Okay, here how to take it off. It's the earpiece, and then you can use heat gun, okay, to heat up from the right here to getting loose this flag. Now I use the camera, the razor. You see the part right here with the gold chip? I carefully put my razor in the flag. Okay, it's coming out. After I take off the home button and then the front camera flag, I remove the display. Sometimes they have the black tape to stick on this one. It's okay because this cables come with LCD. You can take it one off little harder. It's not gonna damage anything since after you already take off the camera and home button. Now this LCD is bad. Okay, after you test this, we're gonna put all this back together. You take off the tape. You put this one, the two flag on the LCD. You put this to the hole right here and carefully set it down. Make sure they all lay down on the screen. Now I usually put back all the screwdriver on the side first before I do anything else. After I put the screw on the side back, now I'm gonna put the home button. Okay, it's from the front, so you can break down the paper, plastic, and then put the home button go to this hole, and carefully lay the flag under the flag. Okay, put this under the flag. Make sure you put it under position because they have the little white thing right here. You can set down, so make sure it's in the right position. Okay, now you snap it. Sometimes it quick it a little bit for you to snap. I figure a lot, but sometimes it's little funny. Okay, and it's still not gonna stay. Okay, if it not stay, just lift up this a little bit. You can lift up the flag a little bit. And do this way. Let me see. Here you go. And then you put back the plate, and put back the screwdriver. Okay, after you put back the home button, you put back the flag carrier. Okay, you keep it in the same position like that. Now to the earpiece. If you want to change the earpiece, if it's not making sound clear or low, you just can change this piece or the front carrier. Sometimes if you can hear, it can be both. It can be the front carrier and then the earpiece too. But most of the time it's the front carrier flag that damaged, so you can't hear. Okay, now I put back the screw. Okay, now I put back the earpiece and the front carrier flag in the position. Now we're going to put back in the phone. You can snap the front carrier first. You can snap down. It's right here. Okay. After you put the flag, now you put for the front carrier, you're going to put the flag for the LCD. Careful, put in the right position and then you snap down. You hear click. Okay, and now you slap the battery. Before you put everything on, turn it on first. Make sure everything is working. Okay, now you turn it on. It's coming on. It means you do it right. Then you put back the small part of this. This usually have the plate right here too, but this phone doesn't have one. So now you put back the screwdriver. To snap down the LCD, you on the top right here, they have the little gap right here. You put it under, okay, under the frame, under the housing first. And then you go around, make sure on this side the flag is don't coming out. And then you snap down. You hear the sound? So check around, make sure everything is snapped down. And then you put back the two screws on the bottom. Okay. Good luck with your screen repair and see you in the next video.